my experience with Britedecking was fantastic right from the start. Initial phone call, they were very professional. They gave me all the right information to make the best decision. We ended up choosing the next generation decking in the silver grey, and that was on advice from the person that I spoke to initially, from Britedecking, who asked the location and sort of guided me to the right kind of colour of decking to suit being on the water. Previously it was a very dark deck, and the silver grey has just completely transformed